Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset PNC mobile app password step by step clearly. To reset your PNC mobile app password, start by launching the PNC mobile app on your device. Once the app opens, tap on the login button located at the bottom of the screen. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Tap on Forgot Password to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your user ID. Input your user ID and tap Continue. Next, verify your identity by answering the security questions you set up during registration. After successfully answering the security questions, you will receive an email with a password reset link. Check your inbox for the email from PNC. Open the email and click on the password reset link. You will be redirected to a web page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once completed, tap on Submit to finalize your new password. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the PNC mobile app login page. Enter your user ID and your new password. Tap Login to access your account with the new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.